Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you a Wi-Fi adapter review. So in case you guys are looking for a Wi-Fi adapter, then definitely this review will help you. So this is a Wi-Fi adapter. It's a wireless adapter, and this is like a very old laptop, and this Wi-Fi is not working properly. So instead of changing the Wi-Fi section, I thought maybe I should try this Wi-Fi adapter. Maybe that will help me. So I ordered it from Amazon. So let's open it and see how it looks and how it works. So this is the adapter. So it comes with this CD and the warranty card, and it has a warranty card, this CD, and this is the Wi-Fi adapter. This is how it looks. I connected this one. So this is like a, and this one is like a pen drive thing. So oh wow, now it's blinking. You can see the light is blinking here. So now it's working. Check the model. So after this one, I went to this Wi-Fi session. I already turned off the Wi-Fi from the computer, which is like on off like, that's why I choose here. This one is my computer Wi-Fi, and this one is this adapter one. So I'm choosing this one, the Wi-Fi 4, and my Wi-Fi. So after giving the password, yeah, it's connected. Now I can check my Wi-Fi. Oh wow, speed test. So now I can check my internet speed. Oh. Yeah, it's like 93 Mbps download speed, 88 Mbps, so it's pretty good. I'll check with my computer Wi-Fi. So my computer Wi-Fi is this one, which is turned off. Okay, now I'm checking my computer Wi-Fi. The version is 88 Mbps. So now I'm checking with computer. Yeah, it's almost like 123, 125. It's 115. Yes, regular is 115. Okay, so it's okay. So pretty much it's working, but I think my computer Wi-Fi is like though it's like a old laptop, that's why the Wi-Fi is like sometimes on off. But it is showing like 115 around, but this one is showing 86 or 88. But it gives like a constant Wi-Fi. That's the only reason I have to bought this Wi-Fi thing. But it looks like kind of ugly, right? It's like a it's dangerous for the laptop. I think it should be like a little bit sleek, otherwise it is fine. So in case your laptop is like old and your Wi-Fi is not working, then you can choose this one. Or there are so many Wi-Fi adapters in Amazon, you can choose them that pretty much solve your problem in case your laptop is old. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye bye.